There are 39 books.
Genesis.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, First Samuel, Second Samuel, First King, Second King, First Chronicles, Second Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job గ్రంథము, ఇంకా
Psalms.
Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, ఇంకా Ezekiel, Daniel, Obadiah,
Hosea.
Hosea, Jonah,
Joel.
Joel, Amos,
Obadiah.
Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah,